Hey there mga my love spices! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So, before we start your reading, reminders muna po tayo na hindi po ito for everyone. So, just take only what resonates, guys. At syempre, wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can click rose if you want. At syempre, at the end of the day, you always have your free will. At free ka rin na gamitan yan. So, for today's content, we're gonna take a look at your July 2024. So, just take only what resonates. And hi, new subscribers, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So guys, kung hindi niyo pa po alam ang meron pa po tayong ibang channel. So, ang link ay nasa description box. So, let's go ahead. We're gonna use two decks, pero i-shuffle na muna natin both. So, let's go. Spirit and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for my Pisces people? This is for my Piscean people. Can you please show me for their month of July 2024? Pisces, July 2024, please. Archangel Michael, thank you, together with the angels and spirit guides, for being present here in this reading. This is for Pisces. Pisces, ingat 'no, kasi nakakita ko rito ng meron dito na hindi niyo pa nakikilala, pero posibleng potential 'yun na parang baka mahulog yung loob mo sa kanya. Isa siyang player ha, isa siyang player. So use your intuition when dealing with people. If naaamoy mo na parang may red flag siya at hindi siya green flag, then, eh, putulin mo na agad yung connection mo sa kanya. Kasi may nakikita ko ritong bago. That person will show you fake love and affection. And that is someone brand new. Okay? Pero wag kang mag-alala kasi nakita ko rito na magiging obvious yung mga red flags niya. Pero kailangan mapansin mo yun. Kailangan pansinin mo yun. If you feel or may nakita ka something off about that person, then wag mong baliwalain yung intuition mo. Okay? Let's go ahead, check these messages. Let's make latag. We have here the privileged lady. Let's move it here. Bad health. Wala pa tayong gender. Message of concern. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay. Your ex is still interested sa inyo. Nakikita ko yan dito. Okay. So, I do get right here that aside from that person na bago, na paparating, na player type of energy, please be aware because I do see that there are also other people here na lumalabas na posibleng negative vibes sa'yo. Another energy na nakikita kong hindi healthy for you is this ex of yours trying to come back around this July 2024. Okay? Because you're gaining your confidence back to you. Nagsisimula ka na ulit bumangon on your own. I do see that this person here starts to get interested with you and this is your ex right here. na pinalakol ka rito, no? Yung puso mo, pinalakol niya rito, no? Before, this person here hurt you so bad, and even though you're bleeding, this person here continuous na tinuloy-tuloy niya talaga na maramdaman mong heartbroken ka. Yun yung nakita ko rito in the past. And this person here is trying to come back around this July 2024. But nakikita ko rito that history will just repeat itself if you will entertain this person. If lang naman. Pero nakikita ko rito na marami sa inyo ang wala na, tinapos na, no second chances at all with the Grim Reaper right here because wala na kayong nararamdaman for that person. At kung sakaling mangiibig kayo ulit, no, doon na lang sa alam ninyong bago at yung magiging totoo sa inyo. So nakita ko na nakamove on na kayo with this person here. Okay? Good. And the another energy na nakikita ko rito, there's someone here who is preparing na traidorin kayo. Nakikita ko rito na ito ay posibleng taong malapit sa'yo. A friend or a colleague sa trabaho. Could be a business partner here. So nakikita ko rito na tatraidorin ka niya rito kahit na hindi niya pa alam na tatraidorin niya kayo. Kasi iba sa kanila hindi pa aware na darating sila sa sitwasyon na tatraidorin nila kayo rito. No? So because of their own greediness or worldly gains, this person will turn his or her back sa'yo. Okay, so I do not know, but I do see na it is related here with your work, finances, or whatever, no? Meron ditong panloloko at pagtatraidor at yung iba sa kanila malapit sa inyo pero hindi pa nila alam na darating sa puntong matatraidor ka nila. So, I do see that these people right here are not really being true to you with the mask and the snake. At yung iba sa inyo, posibleng nag-clash na rin kayo noon. Nagkaroon ng argumento, pag-aaway sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Okay? So, maaaring yun ay isang clue na dapat mong tandaan. Do not, huwag kayong magtiwa-tiwala. Do not put your trust even though with the closest person in your life. Always put your trust 101% to yourself. Okay? Especially in this case, wala kang dapat na pagkatiwalaan dito kundi ang sarili mo, Pisces, no? Kaya mag-alala, wala naman ditong pisikalan na masasaktan or whatever, no? Pero syempre yung emotions, dapat ninyong protektahan. Okay? Prepare because someone here is ready to attack you from behind, from the back. Posibleng ilaglag ka niyan, balik rin yung sitwasyon, ganun. Iwan ka sa ere, bigla na lang siya dito mawala, maglaho, no? Yan. But I'm seeing that you trust this person here. But this time, be the game changer. Do not trust anyone, Pisces. There are a lot of villains around you. Okay? So, I do see na maliban dyan sa mga yan, meron pa rin naman dito mga taong totoo sa inyo. So, nakita ko rito na meron ditong friends and family na talagang nandiyo dyan sa tabi mo at kilalang-kilala mo kung sino sila. Yan. So, think about here, the people, no, na being true to you. Doesn't have to be na hindi naman kailangan marami sila, di ba? Konti lang pero totoo sa'yo, di ba? Yun ang importante. And you're gonna think of these people right here, no? Nakikita ko ditong hihingi ka sa kanila ng tulong, no? Baka advice, mga ganyan. No? At nakikita ko hindi sila magdadalawang isip or hindi sila mag-hesitate na tulungan ka, Pisces. Okay? Someone here, posibleng nagkasakit last time, or baka may magkasakit dito, or may nagkasakit dito, no? I'm seeing full recovery, don't worry, no? Full recovery yun. So, nakikita ko dito that it's something here, good news. Maybe may nag-undergone ng surgery before, but I do see that it's good news, okay? Good health is coming right after this bad health here. So, no need to worry, okay? But I do see na kung ikaw man yung parang galing dun, baka ikaw ay nilagnat, nagkasakit, no, nagkaroon ng fatigue, or baka ikaw ay nag-undergone ng surgery or whatever, no. Someone here is thinking about you, so maaaring i-message ka nito. So, posibleng ito yung person mo in a special
way. Baka siya ay may gusto sa'yo, iba naman baka husband or wife mo malayo sa'yo, baka dahil nagwo-work siya sa ibang bansa or sa ibang destino na kalugar, I mean nakadestino na ibang mga lugar, yan 'no. Or maaaring ito yung someone na nag-aalala sa'yo, but there's love in there. Ibig sabihin yung concern niya totoo, okey? So good news, recovery and good health is definitely guaranteed here, so no need to worry about that. And nakikita ko dito magbabago na yung life mo with the privileged lady and the coffin. This is something here na related sa'yo rito, financial. So which is very good because this is something here that you expect but hindi mo lang ini-expect kung kailan mo yan makukuha. But this is something here coming and this might happen here July 2024. There's a privilege here na i-upgrade ang iyong life, no? At yung iba nakikita ko dito, you will deal here with someone who is a foreign individual or puwede rin naman na foreign company na magjo-join ka dun ka magwo-work or baka yun yung work mo. I'm seeing someone here cooperating with you and this is a privilege here na paangatin na yung life mo. I'm seeing you doing it, no? At yung iba sa inyo, if you're looking for love, isa na diyan sa magiging katrabaho mo or baka siya na, 'no, yung nakikita ko dito mapapangasawa mo. Yung iba sa inyo malaki yung chance na mapangasawa ninyo ay posibleng ibang lahi or may half blood or baka siya ay, tumira na sa ibang bansa. 'No, maraming bansa na yung pinagtirahan niya pero posibleng kapwa Pinoy din, 'yan. So nakikita ko rito na kung saan man kayo titira, kung 'yan man ay foreigner or half 'no, nakikita ko na dun kayo sa bansa niya titira together with that person here, 'no. So your life will definitely changing, 'no, magcha-change dito in a very special way and I'm not seeing you saying no, but you are saying yes to this. Yan. And for those in love and meron na kayong person here, I'm seeing that person planning for a proposal. I know, I might be a spoiler right here, but yun yung nakikita natin and I do not want to hide it from you. So, there's this definitely wedding. Nakita kong gagastusan talaga 'tong wedding na 'to and wala kang ilalabas na singkong duleng lalo na kung ikaw ay babae. This person is so in love with you that he or she can be able to provide you a grand wedding because because he or she knows that you deserve that type of wedding. So, kahit hindi mo hilingin, kahit hindi yan grand wedding, basta gagastusan niya yan. Okay? Nakikita ko dito na wala kang iintindihin kundi pupunta ka doon, pakakasalan mo siya, invite all those people here you want na makasaksi ng special day mo. Yun lang. Okay? Wow! Advance congratulations because you're gonna marry this person right here who will definitely do everything and offer you whatever beautiful things the world or life offers. Wow! So I do see na isa pa sa maganda rito 'no, is matatanggap ka rito ng kanya ritong mga friends at family at very loving ang iyong mga magiging in-laws, father-in-laws, mother-in-laws, 'di ba? Ang taray yan ang mga pinapangarap ng lahat ng mga kababaihan at kalalakihan in this earth, 'di ba? So whatever the case may be, I do see that. Yung iba sa inyo siguro, kayo ito na may talent sa pagdo-drawing, painting, or anything, sa crafts, baka sa clay making, sculpting, yan. So your creativity is on point this July 2024. Spirits are saying magagamit mo yan, no? Pagkakakitaan mo yan. Yan, 'di ba ang bongga ng mga babes, 'no? So nakikita ko rito na posibleng ma magkaroon rito ng chance na maipakita mo ang iyong creativity side, 'no? So go ahead, do that. Maaaring may makapansin sa'yo, maka-discover 'no, and maaaring pagkakitaan mo 'yan 'no. Posibleng sa kanya manggaling yung news or baka siya yung isa sa magtulong sa'yo 'no, para ma-achieve mo 'yan 'no. Nakita rin ako dito ng collaboration, so maaaring may negosyo 'yun Tapos kung marunong ka mag-design or may talent ka rito, posibleng kunin ka niya, 'no, na ikaw yung magde-design ng shop niya, yung mga gano'n. So, grab that opportunity because your name will start to alam mo yung maiingay 'no, mag-iingay yung pangalan mo dito 'no, and this is the start here of being recognized with your talent. Yan. So, continue to harness and develop here yourself because something great is coming your way, no? Pero, kagaya nga nabanggit ko sa inyo, yung mga binanggit kong negative na mga forces, na mga negative, toxic na mga individuals na nagpaplano rito ng hindi maganda, no? Just to break your positive energy, don't let them do it. Okay? Don't pay attention to them. Avoid red flag peoples, avoid negative people draining your energy, avoid all of them. Okay? So if your ex text you, call you, missed a call from your ex, then don't reply. Especially if naka-resonate ka dun sa sinabi ko na itong person mo 'no is posibleng niloko ka to the point na pinalakol ang iyong heart na that person is still interested with you but still not showing commitment and seriousness like Opsol. Wala. So, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, Pisces. Thank you so much, babes, and sarangheo. By the way, kanina may nabanggit ako, no? Someone new is coming your way, yay. Look forward to that. That person is someone na nakikita ko, no, na for you. Okay? So, if I haven't mentioned that, no, yun yung dapat na sasabihin ko kanina, no? So, yan. Na-focus kasi ako dun sa mga negative energies na parating sa'yo. So, that's why I want you na malaman yun. But, for those of single people out there, there's someone new coming in into your life and that is not someone that you expect. This is someone here brand new. And that person is someone who is your true divine counterpart who is definitely okay paparating 'no, to heal all of those wounds na na-cause ng iyong past experiences in love. And that person will stay with you, okay, and be right by your side at included siya sa mga tao rito na totoong susuporta sa'yo. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here. Pisces, thank you so much and sarang hayo love in light. Annyeong!